If you bought something like this new, which wouldn't be as good quality, right now would be about $2,000. So this is a 1976 approximately Electrolux Olympia, and it was one of the last ones made out of with a metal body construction. After that they went to a plastic body, and comes with the electric power nozzle, has tremendous suction, retractable cord, and just one of the best Electroluxes ever built.
Just a vacuum that was a trade-in. It was way past due for everything, so my boss had me tear this completely down, repaint, and redo everything inside, along with new wheels, rebuilt cord reel, paint job. Now everything's working properly the way it should, and it's almost like a brand new vacuum for someone that's ready for one.
So we refurbished it like new. We end up guaranteeing the motor for 5 years and put a full complete bumper-to-bumper guarantee on the entire machine. And if you bought something like this new, which wouldn't be as good quality, right now would be about $2,000. We'll end up selling this for about $399.